Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can save your house or even your household to the Sims gallery. So I'm just going to select build mode and I'm going to save this house into the gallery. Select save to my library and select save lot. I'm going to name it colorful house. I'm going to also select the thumbnail or something, I don't know. Also, I'm going to type in modded. I'm going to select there's 2 beds and 2 baths. Then I'm going to select save lot to my library. To save a household to your library, just gonna go to live mode first. Let's see, do I have a wardrobe here somewhere? Here, go to plan outfits. I'm just gonna fast forward. And in plan outfits, you're going to basically save your household there by pressing save household. But I already did, so I'm not going to do that again. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.